Alright, look at the topic decomposition into partial fractions. Okay, page 137. Okay, decomposition into partial fractions. Alright, I'm going to show you only one example from question A. Okay, this topic you have done study from chapter 4, integrations. Okay, so this one we just recall balik. Okay, so we have a question, the inverse Laplace of 3s over s plus 1 s minus 2. Okay, so as you can, this is a partial fraction here. Okay, how to do the inverse Laplace of this one, this partial fraction, these equations here. So first we need to take out this one, 3s over s plus 1 s minus 2. For the inverse Laplace, hold dulu. Okay, kita hold dulu. Okay, and then from these single fractions we need to break it down into two fractions, and then let A over s plus 1 plus let B over s minus 2. Okay, so we make it into two fractions. Okay, and then we have to find the value for A and B. A and B is a constant, so we need to find the value for A and B. Okay, how to find? By eliminate the value at the denominator. How to eliminate? Okay, you need to multiply both sides with s plus 1 s minus 2. Okay, so s plus 1 s minus 2 multiply 3s over s plus 1 s minus 2 multiply with this one, s plus 1 s minus 2. You can cancel out these two, you get 3s, right? Okay, and then A over s plus 1. Okay, s plus 1, we can cancel out this s plus 1, so s minus 2 times with s minus 2, multiply with s minus 2, plus we have B over s minus 2. Then s minus 2 we can cancel out with s minus 2 here. Therefore, s plus 1 multiply with B. So B multiply with s plus 1. Alright, you found now? And then what? We need to, okay, we need to find the value for A and B, right? Then let, okay, I will let s equals to 2. Okay, s equals to 2. Why I let s equals to 2? Okay, substitute 2 into this s. 2 minus 2 we get 0, right? 0 times A, it is 0. Then we can find the value for B first. Okay, so substitute 2 into s for each s. So 3 times 2 A, 2 minus 2 plus B, 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 2 we get 0. Okay, 0 times A, it is 0. 3 times 2 we get 6. This one, 2 plus 1 we get 3. 3 times B, it is 3B. Therefore, B equals to 6 divided 3, we get 2. Then we need to find the value for A. To find the value for A, we need to eliminate the value, the B. Okay, constant B here. So we need to let s equals to -1. Why? Because substitute -1 into this s. -1 plus 1 we get 0. So 0 times B, it is 0. Then we can find the value for A. Okay, so substitute -1 into s for each s. So 3 times -1 equal, okay, from this equation, okay, from this equation, first equation here. Okay, so A -1 minus 2 plus B -1 plus 1. So this one is 0. 3 times -1, it is -3. -1 minus 2, we get -3A. Therefore, A equals to -3 divided by negative 3, we get 1. Okay. Ni nampak tak setakat ni? So we have done to find the value for A and B. Then we need to set it into this one, A and B here. Okay. So ini saya padam nah. We know that A is 1, B is 2. So therefore 3s over s plus 1, s minus 2, it is equal, where A is 1, substitute into this one, A over s plus 1 plus B is 2, 2 over s minus 2. Okay, tulis balik. Okay, and then we need to find the inverse Laplace of 3s over s plus 1, s minus 2. Thus, the inverse Laplace of 3s over s plus 1, s minus 2, it is equal the inverse Laplace of what? Of 1 over s plus 1 plus the inverse Laplace. Okay, the inverse Laplace of 2 over s minus 2. Okay, you faham now? 3s, this one, it is equal 1 over s plus 1 plus 2 over s minus 2. When we want to find the inverse Laplace of this one, 3s over s plus 1, s minus 2, then it is equal the inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 plus the inverse Laplace of 2 over s minus 2. Okay, we found now. As you can see this, the inverse Laplace, this is capital F of s. This one also capital F of s. Okay, the inverse Laplace of capital F of s, we need to find what? The inverse Laplace of capital F of s. You will get the function of t, right? The function of t. Okay, as you can see this, it is s plus 1. Okay, actually this is from refer on your table, this is from exponential form. This is from exponential form. It means it is s minus, okay, it is s minus negative 1 actually. Okay, we know that A is negative 1. A is negative 1. Okay, refer on your table. This is from exponential form. Okay. So, it is equal, when A is negative 1, it is equal exponent negative t. Okay. And then plus, what about this one? Okay, this one is from exponential form also. Okay. 2, okay, 2 it is constant, take out the constant. So, the inverse Laplace 1 over s minus 2. So, this one is exponent negative t plus 2. This one is, we know that A is 2, right? Okay, s minus A is 2. Therefore, exponent 2t. So, this is the answer. Right? Nampak tak? Dia faham tak? Okay, kalau awak tak nampak dia punya bentuk ni, refer on your table. Okay, it is from exponential form. Okay, exponential form. Exponent AT, it is equal 1 over s minus E. Okay. Dia faham tak? Tak faham, dia tanya jawab. Accept, okay?